Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of What We Eating. It's your girl Ava and I'm back with another episode. I'm going to make shrimp boil in foil packets. Now, I'm going to put these in the oven, but you can also put these in the grill, on the grill. They are amazing on the grill. Normally I would, but we're just gonna put them in the oven today because I just got home from work. I don't feel like firing up the grill. My husband's not home to do that right now. And I'm tired, but I gotta get to this money, okay? Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. And y'all know everything that I do will be in the description below, all the ingredients and directions, okay? All right, so what you're gonna have is like a pound of baby potatoes that I'm going to go ahead and cut, and they are already washed. Just wanna cut them pretty much in half. That's what I wanna do. And these are baby yellow potatoes. They're buttery. I wanted to use these. I didn't want to use the red ones. So I'm just gonna cut these up into halves. And this is just about a pound. Okay. All right, so I have the potatoes all cut up, as you can see. And I just cut them in half. Okay. And what you also want to do is you want to have we're just gonna bring the camera right on over here, some water boiling, because you're gonna put potatoes and your corn in this water. You're gonna boil it for about 10 minutes, okay? All right, so now I have my corn, and I'm just gonna cut these if I can. Whew, hard to cut. Okay, so I'm gonna cut them about that size, just like that. Okay, I guess it's still kind of froze. I'm gonna go ahead and get these cut up real quick as best as I can. All right, y'all, so the water is boiling, so I just wanna add my potatoes in here. I'm gonna get these in here. And you wanna add your corn. I have my corn cut into rounds, so I'm gonna go ahead and add that in there too. And I'm gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes only, okay? Okay, and we're gonna let that boil. And in the meantime, we're gonna come over here and cut up my sausages and onions and all that good stuff. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my andouille sausage, and this is Cajun style andouille smoked sausage. So we're just gonna get that cut up just like that. Bowl here. Okay, and I have another pack of sausage I'm gonna go ahead and cut up too. And get that cut up. All right, so I have a small yellow onion. I'm just gonna cut this up, thinly slice this. That's all I wanna do. That size. my corn and potatoes have been boiling for about 10 minutes now. So I'm going to go ahead and get this drained, and then we'll start mixing everything up and get this shrimp ball into these 4 packets. All right, y'all. So now what you want to do is combine everything together. So I already have my shrimp in a large bowl. So I just want to add my sausages to this. And just add that to that. You want to add the onion that you cut up into, little thin slices there. Just add that right on in there with it. All right, so then you want to add the potatoes. I think I need a bigger bowl for this. I think so. Let me switch out bowls because this is going to be too small. So give me 1 second. Okay, I think this bowl is a lot better. All right, so now you want to add your potatoes and corn to this. Don't that look so good? And then I also have about a half a stick of butter, and I'm just gonna pour that right on over there, just on top of there. Okay, so then you want to add some garlic. So I'm gonna add about 4 cloves of garlic. I have some minced garlic already cut up here, so I'm just gonna add about 3 teaspoons. Okay. So then what you wanna do is add you some salt and pepper. Okay, so we're just gonna sprinkle some salt all over this. And then we're gonna add some pepper. We're just gonna add some pepper to that. Okay, we're also gonna add some Old Bay seasoning. I'm just gonna eyeball this. I have a big bowl here. Okay. We're just gonna toss this around really good. Give it a good toss. Make sure you get that seasoning all over it. Lot too. I guarantee you we're gonna eat it all. It might be some left over, but my family is going to eat it. I promise you that. Okay. Get that mixed up really good. All right, y'all. So what I've done, I've torn me off some foil, as you can see, and it's heavy duty aluminum foil, okay? So you just wanna place your mixture here. Make sure you get plenty of sausage, your potatoes, about 1 or 2 rounds of corn. And just get that in there just like that. Just place it in the middle. Make sure you get it really good here. I'm definitely gonna have plenty. Let's get some more shrimp. Okay, so I think that looks good. So now what all I want to do is just fold it over just like that. Okay, and we're just gonna place it over here on my pan. I'm gonna do another one here. Sausage, the shrimp, the onions. This is gonna be so good. Yes, it is. Another corn. My family loves seafood. Okay, so just fold that up and over. fold it over just like that. Okay? All right. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish getting these wrapped up, and then we'll put them in the oven. Okay. So my foil packets are ready to go into the oven. As you can see, there are several. I even have to get another pan just to get 2 extra ones over there. Sure did. All right, so they're gonna go into the oven at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes, okay? All right, y'all. So the shrimp boil packets are out of the oven. And I'm gonna go ahead and just open up one real quick. And be careful because this thing is hot. Yes, it is. Good. You have your andouille sausage, your corn, your potatoes, onion, butter, all that seasoning in it. And all you want to do is just, garnish it a little bit. A couple slices of lemon. That's what you want to do. You can go ahead and get that little parsley on there too. Make it a little colorful. That's all you gotta do. Alright, you guys. And there you have it. Shrimp boil 4 packets, and these are done in the oven. And again, like I said, you can always put these on the grill. But I put them in the oven because it's also raining outside, so I don't want to deal with all that. But anyway, you guys, as always, I do want to thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share. And until next time, bye.